Nakusesenjalo umholo wabantu abadala nowalabo abakhubazekileko uzokukhutshulwa nge-130 yamaranda ngosihlabantangana ekusho ukuthi abadala nabakhubazekileko sebazohola i-2315 yamaranda ukuthoma ngosihlabantangana. Isibonelelo sabantwana sizongezelelwa nge-30 randa ekusho ukuthi sebazohola i-560 yamaranda ngenyanga, kanti isibonelelo sabambelekelweko sona sikhutshulwa nge-70 randa.
Social grants are allocated 284.7 billion rand in 25-26. This allows us to increase the old age grant, disability grant by 130 rand, the child support grant by 30 rand, the foster care grant by 70 rand.
Isibonelelo sabangasebenziko asikazi ukukhutshulwa kodwa isikhathi sesibonelelo lesi singezelelwa ngomnyaka bekube nguNtaka umnyaka ozako. Kufakwa imali engange 35.2 billion yamaranda ukuphumelelisa lokhu.
The COVID-19 social relief in its current form will be extended by a year to March 2026.
Umthelo wotshwala nepepu uzokukhutshulwa ngokuya kwentengo juguluko ebalelwa ku-6.75%, kuthi isegerede nevape zikhutshulwe nge-4.45%. Umthelo wembaseli nawo awuzukukhutshulwa ekuzokubulungela abathengi imali elinganiselwa ku-4 billion yamaranda. Njenganje kusezandleni zeParliament ukuthi iyasamukela isabelo namkha iyasiphaya na.